In this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint on how I mix AI ads with real life footage to make banging meta ad creatives. In some cases, these ads give us the lowest cost per lead and the lowest cost per purchase in the entire ad account. This is not AI slop that's entirely made by AI. You just click publish and run it as an ad. This is going to be how you can mix your real life footage that you get from creators, B-roll footage. However you get footage, you're gonna mix that with AI and combine those two to make really, really good meta ads. And by the end of this video, you should walk away with the exact blueprint on how to make AI ads that convert. And I'm gonna show you some examples I see from the top brands running these types of AI ad creatives, so you can go ahead and replicate that for yourself. Let's get into the video. So let's get a couple of things straight. If you're making ads from Sora or any one of these other AI ad makers, and if you're just publishing that to your ad account and hoping that is gonna outperform your real life UGC, your real life brand footage, whatever footage you have, your real life ads, that's almost never the case. I've never seen a complete AI ad become the top spending account, giving us the most purchases, giving us the most leads or whatnot. You have to combine your real life footage with AI. So there's three things AI is really, really good at and that you need to put in your ads. And that's AI avatars, that's AI voiceovers, and that's animations. Those three things, if you can do that correctly, according to your avatar, according to your target demographic, if you can put those in your ads, you're already gonna be so much ahead of your competition. AI avatars. If I'm targeting a certain demographic, I want the AI avatar to be appealing to that certain demographic. If I'm targeting 65-year-old grandparents, I'm gonna have an AI avatar that looks 65 plus within the ad creative. If I'm not gonna use that ad creative, I might come from an expert perspective. I might come from a doctor's perspective, giving them advice. So that's gonna be how you're gonna be able to use AI avatars to your benefit. Now, AI voiceovers. That is self-explanatory. We're gonna use AI to be handling our voiceovers so that we can make scripts. Now, scripting is one of the biggest parts of your ad. You wanna make sure you're getting your script down. Now, whether it's you writing it or you have a creative strategist writing your scripts for you, what I'm seeing across the board right now is ads that directly pinpoint customers' problems, customers' needs, whatever they want. We want to target specific, very specific avatars using these AI voiceovers. That's why scripting is very, very, very important. If you're not spending a lot of time working on your ad scripts, you have to do that, because with this new Andromeda update, it is rewarding people who are targeting very, very specific avatars. If you open up any brand's ad library, what you're gonna see there is they're targeting very, very specific. For example, I looked up Grunz. There's this green gummy company. They're targeting exact problems. So for one problem, they're targeting people who are taking GLP-1 and are suffering with fiber problems or something like that. Then they might be targeting the athlete. Then they might be targeting a different demographic. So we want to target, we want to know exactly who we're targeting and create ads based on that. And the third thing AI is really, really good at making is animations. If you have some type of foot relief product or some type of product that solves a customer's problem, we want to make sure that we're putting in good visually appealing animations within our ad to catch their attention. I'm going to show you some ads later on that are really, really good at the first 3 seconds. We obviously have two parts of an intro of an ad. We have the text hook or the audio hook, whatever you say to get the customer's attention, but then we also have the visual hook. Whatever's playing on the background of the audio, we want that to be visually appealing as well, and AI is great at doing that. So that's where you can go ahead and get Sora. That's where you can use any of these AI ad makers to get that visual hook for you. But within that ad, we want to make sure that we're putting in real life footage so that our customer knows that we're an actual product or service out there. So the best way to use AI avatars, to use AI voiceovers to your advantage, is going to be in targeting these specific demographics. So for instance, I have an example of an ankle product, an ankle brace. Now there's multiple avatars that we can target for our ankle brace. The first avatar is going to be athletes. Now what's under athletes? Athletes, we have basketball players, we have pickleball players, we have football players, we have jiu-jitsu people. We have so many people under that one athlete demographic that we can specifically target. For basketball players, they might be dealing with ankle sprains. For football players, they might be dealing with turf toe or anything like that. For runners, we might have people that deal with ankle fatigue. So there's so many different avatars under that one athlete umbrella. Now, if we're targeting these athletes, we want to make sure our AI avatar speaks to those athletes. If we're targeting basketball players, we want to make sure that the AI avatar looks like a basketball player. If we're targeting pickleball players, we want to make sure that AI avatar looks and feels like a pickleball player. Now, for another category of people that we can target with this ankle brace is going to be seniors. Now, people that are 65 plus, now, that might be dealing with ankle problems. Their ankle might be unstable. They might have arthritis within their ankles, legs, knees. So our AI avatars are going to be seniors, talking to these seniors, going through their potential problems that they may be already having, and then providing our ankle brace as the solution. We want to be very, very specific with these ads. If we're targeting people that have arthritis, we want to make sure that we have arthritis in our ad creative. If you're still dealing with arthritis, this ankle brace has really helped me. After 7 days of use, I've seen my arthritis pain go down, something along those lines. Be very, very specific with our avatars, with our scripts, and with our entire ad creatives. That's how you're gonna win with this new Andromeda update. So this is a really good example of an AI avatar using an AI voiceover with good animations on the back. They're targeting a very specific avatar, and this is entirely AI. On the background might be real life footage, but the avatar is obviously AI. They're using an AI voiceover, and this is a kind of a green screen ad where you have some person talking and some footage playing in the background. So let's take a look at this ad.
This is the gel injection. Hyaluronic acid is what we use when a patient's knee is completely dry.
And look, it works to grease the joint, but I always tell my patients, before you go for the needle, try the natural way first. I'm Dr. Evelyn. I'm an orthopedic specialist. If you feel pain and discomfort in your knee every day and want a natural, full recovery, Movion is the one I recommend. In my professional opinion, this is the most complete joint recovery solution available, better than turmeric or glucosamine. It combines the best nutrition for your joints in a single formula: Olovet, Bone Pep, UC2, turmeric, and vitamin D3.
So we can kind of get where they're going with this ad. So it's an AI avatar. They have an animation on the background. They might have pulled that from somewhere, or they might have used AI to make that. We don't know that, but it's a good animation. This looks like an AI clip. I'm pretty sure that's AI. So they're using that as the second clip. And this is a really good AI avatar. So we obviously can see that she's mimicking some hand movements. She looks very real. I mean, if you don't have the trained eye to know whether or not these ads are AI, you might get like boomers, people that are 30 plus, they really don't know if this is AI or not. If you're not really in this space, you can't really tell.
But I always tell my patients, before you go for the needle, try the natural way first. I'm Dr.
This is a really good image because it shows her helping a patient. This is definitely an AI image as well. So they're using that within the ad.
Go for the needle, try the natural way first. I'm Dr. Evelyn. I'm an orthopedic specialist.
Dr. Evelyn Reed. She's not a doctor. He's not a doctor. This is AI.
If you feel pain and discomfort in
So this is real life footage of a person pointing at their knee or whatnot.
your knee every day and want a natural, full recovery,
Now they're putting in footage of their actual product.
Movion is the one I will recommend.
Movion is the one I will recommend.
Joint recovery solution available, better than turmeric or glucosamine.
That's another AI generated
The best nutrition for your joints in a single
GIF
formula:
or
Olovet,
video,
Bone Pep,
whatever.
UC2, turmeric, and vitamin D3. It's a 360-degree coverage. First, it helps repair ongoing damage. Second, regenerates the cartilage, and then it reinforces the bone strength underneath. Most people only hear about anti-inflammation but forget about the bone. If your bone structure is weak, your cartilage has no foundation.
Now this is a really, really good clip. She's holding the product itself. Now you can do that with these AI avatars. This is not the video to learn that. If you want to learn that, go to YouTube, find some video for that. Or if you want to learn how to do that, comment down below. Maybe I'll make a video on how to make these AI types of avatars.
Your cartilage has no foundation. Movion supports it all. So,
This is real. This is for sure real.
So here's my advice. You don't need to live with the stiffness, and you don't necessarily need aggressive treatments yet. Start with the foundation. Give Movion a try and see how much easier it feels to just move without pain in the next 7 days.
So this is a really good example of an AI avatar ad targeting a specific problem that their customer may be having. Now, this is an AI ad that I don't think would do well. I saw this ad when I was scrolling through this site I'm on called Foreplay. It's like an AI ad saver. I'm not affiliated with them, but if you want to use them, there's a 20% affiliate discount link, whatever that may be. Down below, I'll put that in there if you want to try this out. It's where you can like save ads and stuff like that. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'll give you my affiliate link. But this is an AI ad that I don't think would perform well because it's entirely generated by AI, and you could just take a look at that.
I saw a picture from my daughter's graduation and I didn't even recognize myself. That was my breaking point. That was week 1. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I've done this dance before. Started something, got my hopes up, then gained it all back. But my sister kept telling me about this food noise thing. And when she explained it, God, that's been my whole life. That voice that never shuts up about what I'm gonna eat next. So here we go. Half off for new members made it actually affordable. So let's see if this is different. Okay, so something weird is happening. It's not even about the weight yet. It's my brain. I need dinner last food. Fit in it since pulling anything. Person now. I'm formatting yourself. Members.
Yeah, very odd ad. probably would not perform well. People can tell it's AI just by that voice too. Everybody's heard that voice. You could tell it's very unnatural, not gonna perform at all, not gonna make it. So this is a good ad that is using an AI voiceover combined with real footage of their product or service.
What's really causing under eye bags? Why nothing
Really good visual hook.
you've tried has worked, and the breakthrough that's fixing them for good.
Boom, AI avatar holding their product or service. So that's what I'm seeing across the board. People using AI avatars to hold their product or service, to give it kind of some validity that this is an actual person giving their reviews, giving their experience with the product.
Stay with me, because a revolutionary way to reverse eye bags.
And you can see here that they're using a doctor. Same thing with the first ad we saw. They're using a doctor avatar, obviously appealing to people that do not know this is an AI avatar and thinks it's coming from expert opinion.
Or can't touch that elastic band where the real problem lives. Then there's fillers. Expensive, and you risk going blind for results that fade in months anyway. But surely surgery.
We can get the gist of this ad. We know what it's saying.
It only removes the fat. That elastic band still stretched. So in months,
Good animations.
Just $6,000 per. See the pattern? Every single treatment is missing the real problem. They're all ignoring what actually causes eye bags in the first place. So what actually works? Here's what skin clinics don't want you to know. Until now, the only
So this is a 4-minute ad that's going through whatever their product does. I honestly don't even care, but it's a good example. If you want my full ad library that have of saved ads, comment that down below. I'll put together a document. It's going to be on this service, Foreplay. Again, I'm not affiliated with them, but it has a bunch of good AI ads that you can take a look at for yourself. And if you want, you can replicate that for your brand or service. Okay, so quickly, I didn't go through this ad. This is an AI avatar, but it's obviously not a real, they're not portraying it as a real life person. This is a AI, like I would like to call it mascot. It's this doctor mascot that's really engaging. It obviously starts with what the F is plantar fasciitis, then goes through what is plantar fasciitis and how our product, how our insole can solve that.
Fasciitis. It's when the thick band of tissue on the bottom of your foot gets inflamed and shredded, treating every step.
Boom, boom, boom. I've went through this ad before, but this is an AI mascot. You can get this on like Adobe Express or something like that. But this isn't like an AI mascot. You can obviously tailor it to whatever type of product you're selling. So hopefully you know how to combine your real life footage with AI to make ads that can actually convert on Meta. And if you're looking for a creative agency that's going to help you with your creative strategy, making these ads, do your media buying on Meta, our agency Cracked Ads is now accepting applicants for our agency. If you're an e-commerce brand, if you're selling some type of product or service, fill out the type form below. And if we're a good fit, I'm going to personally reach out to you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.